again, my lovely gardening friends. How are you today? I'm Mark. I'm a biotech geek and your gardening freak. Today we are still talking about this lovely plant, the poinsettia, because many of you, in fact, have contacted me and asked me, hey Mark, can you tell us, can you explain us how on earth are they able to produce those lovely colors with the bracts? These are not flowers, these are bracts. Well, those bracts are so beautiful and they have so many colors. Are they found like that in nature? Do they find some cream poinsettias or white poinsettias or apricot poinsettias or orange or fluorescent red poinsettias in nature? Do they find that in Mexico? And I say, well, no, not at all. And you hit the mother lode with this question, because you are bringing me to talk about how we create new plant varieties. Well, how is it done? Well, to explain that, we just need to go back and review a few little notions of biology. And this notion has to do with selection. Okay, so there are two types of selection: the natural selection and you have the artificial selection. So let's start with the natural selection. Well, it was discovered by a gentleman. His name was Charles Darwin. Yes, everybody knows or have heard about Charles Darwin. He published a book that describes the origin of species through the process of natural selection. And in his observations, in his writings, Charles Darwin noted that, well, the environment is very difficult sometimes. It is a hostile environment and it is a harsh environment, and only the fittest can survive. And this explains why you have new species. Well, the modern theory of Darwinism simply tells us that no, it's not the survival of the fittest. It is the survival of the best pre-adapted individuals. Those individuals that have a pre-adaptation or a predisposition to survive to different types of environmental changes. And this occurs during long periods of time. So this is how species can evolve and transform themselves over the ages to adapt to an environment that's always changing. Does it sound familiar? Yes, it does sound familiar, isn't it? Because we're talking a lot these days about climate change, the changing of the climate. Well, it is not a new thing. It has happened before and it will keep happening further in the future. So that's enough for natural selection. And now it is time to talk about artificial selection in the next video. So, thanks for watching, and let's take indoor and outdoor gardening to new heights with the concept of living soil. And this concept is yours by combining the bioponics soil conditioner with the bioponics liquid plant nutrient. Those two components are 100% organic, and they will bring your plants to things of absolute beauty. And, well, thank you for sharing those videos. Take good care of all your lovely plants, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye now.